Yo guys, let me share with you guys my story real quick. So growing up in high school, I was extremely bullied, but even before that, I mean in elementary school it was way better than that. I was doing great and everything, but something switched, something pivoted where I couldn't stand up for myself. That's what I think about looking back at. I couldn't stand up for myself. And in the midst of all the bullying and stuff, like I would be scared to go to school. It was that bad, okay? And I became suicidal and stuff, and it wasn't just due to bullying. It was due to a lot of things, mainly just depression in general. But I wanted to prove myself is what I look back at now. I wanted to prove myself to others that I was worth more than what they called me names as, like a bunch of rude freaking names. And just, they bullied me really bad. It was horrible. And I wanted to prove myself, and the number one thing I wanted to do was make money. And the number one thing that pushed me through even like being suicidal, I remember my dad came down to my room one day when I was growing up, and I had like a belt around my neck, and I was about to try and attempt to kill myself. Multiple times I said it growing up. I had to take like therapy and stuff, and it was really sad. But once again, the number one thing that kept me going through that was the desire to make money online. So I spent countless hours, 24/7, like countless hours. Like even after school hours, I sacrificed friends, family time, and relationships and everything, even my own health, to just deep dive into learning, non-stop learning, 24/7. And so I basically spent over 6 hours per day self-education in all areas of business, marketing, sales, affiliate marketing, make money methods. I mean, I've done everything, okay? This all started back in junior high, and I mean, I failed so much, okay? So the point was, I was accumulating a lot of knowledge, okay? It was compounding, and that's like the secret to success is like be a learning machine, compound that knowledge, form an amazing strategy, and take action on it. Well, I formed lots of strategies, but in the journey of learning, I believe it's very important to fail to learn too. So I was taking action and failing a ton, like it was bad. I just couldn't figure it out, and this all started at a young age, so the brain isn't really fully developed yet and stuff. And so I non-stop would just learn, and I would take action on different campaigns and build marketing stuff, and I failed, okay? Now, I eventually cracked the code, and this was after high school, okay, around my 19 and 20-year-old. And I built a campaign. It was in the health niche, and it crushed it. I mean, I was making thousands per day and way more money than anyone I knew, okay? And I'm like, bro, I'm onto something, okay? I tried to replicate it again, and it kind of flopped, and it was a different niche. And then I tweaked some stuff, and it was successful. And you know, I moved on from that, and I kept creating, and building massive assets for myself. I'm talking email lists, I'm talking traffic sources, just consistently sending traffic every day. I'm talking mastering paid ads. And like I said, it was never like this. I was deep, dark depression. I was suicidal. Like when I say crying, I was crying, it was sad. I don't want to cry on this video. And so I just wanted to share with you my story to let you know, like, I'm not just some person who figured it all out and yay. I didn't, okay? Like I've been through a lot of crap, and that's not all the crap I've been through, so I'm just sharing like a portion of it. But anyway, everyone has ups and downs in life, but I can tell you right now, making a lot of money is worth it, and it was worth the sacrifice, because now I can apply my attention to family, friends, and anyone, and all areas of life, even health, because money gives freedom. Money kind of gives you, what is it, peace of mind. Peace of mind is so key, okay, to happiness, okay? Money doesn't give you happiness, but it can give you other things that can bring you happiness and peace of mind and stuff. This is important. So anyway, hopefully this video is inspiring for you guys so far. Thank you so much for watching. Let's keep going. It is the end of the month. Hallelujah. So let me show you this, guys. It is the end of the month. It is literally the 31st. Okay, if you can see it right there. Yes. Okay, so check this out. Let me refresh real quick. Boom. So, refreshing, perfect. So guys, we're gonna go insane. So I'm gonna teach you how to make 1,000 per day minimum with CPA marketing. You could use Max Bounty, you could use ClickBank, you could use Digistore. I don't care what you use, because it all works. The strategies work, bro. Yo, Learning Machines, this is a quick income update for December 30th, and it's nighttime right now, as you can see out there. Let me refresh real quick, why not? There you go. As you can see, everything's still the same, and Literally, this month I made $118,000 from just like marketing and sweepstake marketing on Max Bounty. And it's extremely powerful to do. Anyone could do it. You can do it too. Pretty crazy journey, right? Like, guys, nowadays I'm making over $300,000 a month. That's just a low ball. And that's combining all my different income streams and growing. Now, thank you so much for watching and join the Learning Machine family. And I also have paid information if you're interested in getting similar results as me. I also have that. And thank you so much for watching. Join the Learning Machine family. And let's go, baby!